but he was dying.
How old is he?
He is now 20 years.
20 years.
It's old for a pigeon. A very old man. But he was still strong, but one of his sons beat him up very hard. I was on time, otherwise he will be dead.
Oh.
I think he can fly. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, come on. It's old. Old and sick.
Very cute. But brought you so many success.
And he's blind.
Oh.
The party is over. When I bought it back from the Japanese who did the highest bid, I bought him back very cheap, and he brought me for 10 years again lots of success. So it's not about the pedigree, it's about good quality, good pigeons. I'm very thankful for him.